Hello and welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? I was showing you how I made this hairband. It's very easy and very straightforward. I kind of feel like I don't have anything to say about it, but we'll still run. Hairbands is what we need. We need flowers and we need pearls, and we also need a glue gun as well. So what we're going to do now is to identify the middle of the hairband, and I'm going to be using my glue gun to attach a gum to a flower, and then I'll just put it right in middle. Put it in middle will just help us have the other flowers and pearls arranged properly the way we want it to be. So I'll put the pearl right there, and I'll go ahead and put other flowers. Now what I did here was that I had gum at the size of the pearl to make the pearl stay stronger, but I'll strongly advise against it because I had a lot of gum spill. So I would advise you don't do that. So what you need to do is just put as much gum as possible on the pearl itself and stick it there. Hold it till it's dry. Don't put on the sides. I repeat, don't put on the sides the way I did, because when it dries up, you're going to be seeing chunks of gum on your hairband. That's what I even experienced. So I don't want you to experience that as well. So we'll just keep doing that. We'll put it right there, and then I'll go ahead and put the flower. So just take it that I made the mistake so you don't make the mistake. I'll keep sticking that right there until I go all the way around. The way the flower is right now, I can actually leave it like that. Like you could actually rock it the way it is right now. But I'll still want to do it all the way to the end on the other side. So that's the last one for that side. I'll go over to the other side and do the same from the beginning to the end. Maybe not the end, but somewhere around where you saw me end the other one. And that's pretty much all for this tutorial. It's no more than that. It's very easy and very straightforward. And this hairband is very versatile as well. You can use any other color of flower you want. I just chose to stick to black because I kind of like how it looked like, but you can use other colors, use it the way you want, manipulate it, use different types of pearls. Because I had lots of gum spills, I had to use this pearls to cover it up. So the pearls you're seeing right there is 3 in a row instead of 1 that you saw on the video. So I just placed the other ones on top of it so that I could cover up the areas that have the gum spill, and this is what it looks like. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.